So remember how I got Gears for a really good price? It wasn't just Gears that I found at that store for only $10. So apparently it was intentional, it wasn't just an error in their system. Except I still think it is because it's not marked on the price tag at that location. The store has multiple locations, and at another location, the deluxes are marked for $10 only. It's so confusing, but I'm not complaining because I get more of Legacy United. And I think I have every single figure from the line so far that I've wanted. That's interesting. I don't know, might get that, Marble Rock guy. Oh my god, this guy has so many accessories. Oh, this is lovely. Am I missing one? I don't think I am. I don't know. I'll check later. But I also got classic Renaissance scissors. Man. 3 figures in 1 week. Starting off with Legacy United Cybertron Starscream. Oh yeah, the tail. That's interesting. But starting off with Cybertron Starscream, then to Gears, and now Shard. Okay, these panels go on the legs. Boink. And I'm going to beef up the arms a little bit. Like, if it'll... I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Oh, that's kind of stupid. You can't directly plug the swords into... Okay. It's not the best, but, you can technically get them to hold the swords? I don't know. Arm-mounted blades for the win. Is this how... Oh, hold on. This is how they're shown on the box. Also, the box art is really cool. Just felt like giving a shout out to the box art, because Transformers box art doesn't get enough love. I'm gonna be real honest with that. Actually, hold on. Can I put... Oh my god, this looks so stupidly impractical, I love it. And then... Hold up, let me mess around with these a little. Oh, and their arm fall off, because they're an armorizer kind of thing. I'm gonna just try and transform into the helicopter. So... I watched MGo's video on this, and I watched the transformation, but I actually forgot it this time, so... Also, I just really like how... I don't know if this is showing up well on camera. Yeah, it is. How there's, like... It kind of looks like crystals in there. Alright. Okay. Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard. It's a Legacy United Deluxe. Alright. What? Oh. Let's go move back before we... Also, I'm very sorry if none of this is actually in view of the camera. Just like the Gears, just like for Gears, I have a really awkward angle since I'm not gonna bother to clean my desk. We'll put the rockets down here. Never mind, we can't. Okay, the rockets will go here. They're actually supposed to go. Overall, pretty nice figure. I'm gonna get Gears in here, just for comparison. Also, on the back of the box, it shows a combination with Gears, so I'm gonna try and make that, actually. Oh my god, those weapons look so bizarre. It's amazing. Okay. Wait. Okay, these pieces are actually slightly changed in sculpting, I believe. Which is really nice. Keeping the asymmetry. And we are going to blink. Okay. Okay, so I don't need to do any special stuff, but those just come down. Blink. Alright, does this thing use the arms? I don't think it does. This as a quote-unquote weapon is bizarre. But man, I sure do love the 5mm port system. Look at this. Are the arms used for anything? Doesn't look like it. But yeah, I'm just doing the combination scene on Shard's box. There we go. Yeah, that's about it.